Here's a KME knife sharpening system, precision knife sharpening. I've just put that on there for demonstrations. As you can see, this is a stand I've been using, but because I had some spare wood, I made another one. This is beech, this is oak, this is just a dowel that fitted. Push that in there like that, and that will lift off that one, and that'll sit on that one there. I did have, I've got more oak, but I didn't have any at hand, and I put the edging on it, you see, on the length that I had. So I've got two out of this lot. But there you go. And it's been polished in beeswax, so it's all good. These knife sharpeners are probably one of the best that I know of. I've had a few and not got on with them, but this is the outcome. This is my little bushcraft knife. When I can get it around and show you. If you look at that, I can show the edge. See that? There you go. Same on that side. But yeah, it's in the kitchen at the minute because I use it to chop up my food, so yeah. Yeah, I've got another 2 more to make. And it does the job. Great bit of kit. There's it all. Just sits on there. Got a little O-ring on there, on the back of it. You adjust that to what you want. And then you adjust this one here as well. But there's plenty of knife sharpening on YouTube for you to have a look at. I won't do any knife sharpening, I just do my own stuff. But there's all your angles. But yeah. That's what it is. Thanks for watching.